Today I'm going to make some lovely waffles for you, Cynthia. This is something we have every Sunday practically for brunch. 4 eggs, large eggs preferably, separated. There's a yolk and the egg whites in there. I've got a pint of milk, full cream preferably, but that's your choice. 14 ounces of plain flour, and that's 4 ounces of butter, melted and cooled.
Let's cook.
I tend to beat the egg white first because the beater's got to be absolutely dry. So it's easier to do the egg white first and then use the same beater without washing it for the rest of the ingredients.
How long do you have to beat the egg white for until soft?
We beat the egg whites till they're stiff. Now I pour the milk into the egg yolk mixture, all of it. There we go. And give that a quick beating. Right. Now I just take the flour and just a spoonful at a time you beat on a lower speed.
Okay.
So I've beaten it all up, and I've beaten the flour into the yolk mixture. So you get a sort of a batter like that, and you can just
A runny batter or?
yeah, it is quite runny. There you are. Okay, and then you just put a little pinch, just a pinch of salt. Just give it another beating, and that's the cooled melted butter. So
All right, yeah.
stick it all in. You are. You beat it again. Now I'm going to beat it on a higher setting. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's sort of like
All
that.
right.
Okay. And there's our well-beaten egg white. You just dip it all in. And all what you do is you just fold it in. I'm going to make...
Nice, that must be really fluffy with the egg white.
Yeah, this waffle maker is over 20 years old. My mum bought it for me years ago, and it's seen so much use. It's a very basic waffle maker.
It's a really good deal.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing I must say, that if you do want to buy a waffle maker, the deeper waffle maker is better than the thinner ones.
Oh, I see, yes.
My mum's got the thinner waffle maker, and it just doesn't have the same fluffiness.
You don't have to put any oil or butter on the waffle maker.
Just, you could put a tiny bit of butter inside and warm it before and then wait for it to heat up. How do I know when it's ready? Well, I sort of give it a couple of minutes, open it, have a look to see if it's gone brown. Okay, just open it. That looks very good to me. So you just lift one of those out.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Okay. Sorry, Sin, I can't actually give you any today. Please subscribe and like below.